Hello, namaste, and welcome back. Today I'm going to try the restaurant style chicken recipe, and for that, I have already marinated the chicken. Now, this chicken I'm going to refrigerate it. Before that, let me show you how I did this marination. So, I'm using half a kg of chicken. Now, we'll add some turmeric. Now, we'll add some salt. Some chili powder. This is as per your taste. If you want it spicy, you can add more. Some coriander powder. Then some pepper powder. And then some lemon juice. This is the juice of half a lemon. Don't put the seeds. And give them all a good mix. The marination is very important stage for your recipe because this will make your chicken juicy and keeps the moisture intact. Okay, now we're going to add the curd. Here we go. Then we will add mayonnaise sauce. Yes, the mayo sauce. 1 tablespoon would be enough. And finally, ginger garlic paste. Now we'll mix them all well and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So we just saw the marination process. Now let's see the ingredients, the other ingredients for this recipe. So here we are with 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Medium size would be enough. You can slice them or chop them. And then 2 tomatoes, ripe red tomatoes, 1 cup curd. Then we would need some green chilies, 7 to 8. Again, this is as per your taste. If you want spice, you can add more. 1 lemon. And these are the masalas which we have. Turmeric, chili, coriander, pepper powder, and some salt. Ginger garlic paste. And the mayonnaise. And some fennel seeds, cloves, jeera, and cinnamon. Now, firstly, we'll dry roast these spices. 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, then 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, which we kept aside. We'll just dry roast all of these. So we kept the masalas aside. Now we'll take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil here. You can use any oil. And we will fry the green chilies and the chopped onions. Don't fry them too much. Just give them a slightly brown color. Now this is perfect. Now we'll add some salt. Here we go. Give it a good mix. And then we'll add the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. And Let it cook for some time. Let the tomatoes become soft. So now this is done. The tomatoes are cooked. As you can see, it has changed the color. Now once it's cooled, we will blend them with the dry roasted masalas which we have kept aside. Just put it all in a blender and just blend it well. Now we'll add some coconut oil. I'm taking 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil gives a very nice flavor to your chicken curry. So this is our marinated chicken and this goes into the coconut oil. There you go. Very gently just spread them all. And we'll leave it to cook for some time. Now this is partially cooked. Here we will add the tomato puree, the one which we blended with the dry roasted spices. And there it is. Give it a good mix and leave the chicken to cook completely in this puree. Now we'll add some salt, some pepper, and little bit of water for gravy. Give a good mix. Meanwhile, keep checking if the chicken is getting cooked. So our chicken is ready. This is completely cooked, as you can see. Yes. Doesn't it look creamy? Now this creamy texture is because of the mayo sauce which we used for marination. There it is. Oh, it looks so lovely. And it's giving a very nice flavor and a very wonderful smell. Now we'll add a little bit of lemon juice here. There you go. A hint of sour flavor which you get while you have this chicken bite. Mix it well. And finally some fresh green coriander leaves. Oh, I'm already very hungry. So without wasting any time, let's just serve it. So our restaurant style chicken curry is ready. And here I have some butter rotis to go with it. You can try this with roti, naan, kulcha, any Indian bread, or if you want to try this with rice, you can try this with rice as well. Oh, this looks so amazing, so delicious, and smells so wonderful. I am already starving and just can't wait to have it. So please try this recipe and share your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. Until we meet again, thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.